Good morning, class. As yesterday, we have started writing the answer the following questions of chapter haircut. That is chapter 7th of English literature. Now today we are going to continue with the answer the following questions of this chapter only. As we have done 1 to 5 questions of chapter haircut yesterday. Now today we are going to continue with the sixth answer, that is the F answer of this chapter. Now let us continue with the answer the following questions of this chapter. As I have already told you that we are going to continue with the question and answers today also. As we have done till question 5th yesterday, now today we are going to start writing the question 6th. First of all, put today's date, classwork, answer the following questions. Question 6 is, who gave DNP a haircut? You have to write the name of the person here who gave DNP a haircut. Answer for this question is, as when DNP entered into the Sony hairstyle salon, DNP ordered one of his assistant barber for the haircut to cut the hair of DNP. So answer for this is, Mr. Sony ordered one of his assistant barbers for the haircut. Now, who gave DNP a haircut? Mr. Sony ordered one of his assistant barbers for the haircut. Now, let us move to question 7th. Question 7th is, why did DNP argue with Mr. Sony? This question is asking, why was DNP arguing with Mr. Sony? Because when he put his head down. Now first, before writing the answer, let me explain you. When he put his head down and go off to sleep, and when he wake up, he saw that his beard was totally shaved off, and DNP have asked Mr. Sony to just trim his beard, but instead of trimming, Mr. Sony had shaved all his beard. So the answer for this is, DNP argued with Mr. Sony because he had shaved off his beard instead of trimming it. Instead of trimming the beard of DNP, Mr. Sony had given a clear shave to DNP. Okay. Why did DNP argue with Mr. Sony? Answer for this is, DNP argued with Mr. Sony because he had shaved off his beard instead of trimming it. Now let us move to question 8. Question 8 is, how did the lady at the bus stop make DNP feel happy? After hearing the words of that lady, how did DNP got happy? This question is saying this, as when the lady at the bus stop said DNP a young man, he got very excited and he felt very happy. After listening the word young man, he didn't listen to any other thing also. Answer for this is, the lady at the bus stop said to DNP young man, which made DNP feel happy. When lady at the bus stop said DNP a young man, that made DNP feel happy. So, how did the lady at the bus stop make DNP feel happy? Answer for this is, the lady at the bus stop said to DNP young man, which made DNP feel happy. Now I hope these 3 answers are clear to all of you. Now let us move to question 9th. Question 9th is, how did various people address DNP? How did the people were addressing DNP, and why did they choose to do so in those ways? And why were they choosing DNP so that they can do also the same thing? Various people addressed DNP as a tramp and thus gave him money, as he seemed to them like a roadside man sleeping on an empty bench. This question is saying that various people were addressing DNP as he was sitting and sleeping on a bench only, on an empty bench, when he went to the market for buying vegetables for his lunch. He was very tired and sat at the empty bench. And when he slept, after waking up from his sleep, he saw that his cap was filled of coins. I hope you all are remembering the things which I am telling you. That same thing. After seeing people People, after seeing that DNP was sitting on an empty bench at the roadside, that were making people addressing GNP. After seeing all this, people were addressing GNP. Question 9 is, how did various people address GNP and why did they choose to do so in those ways? Answer for this is, various people addressed GNP as a tramp, and they were thinking that DNP was a tramp and thus gave him money, as he seemed to them like a roadside man sleeping on an empty bench, because they all thought that he was an roadside man sitting on an empty bench. Now let us move to question 10th. Question 10th is, do you think DNP was a married man? This question is asking, are you thinking that DNP was a married man? Give reasons for your answer. If you think that DNP was a married man, you have to give the reason here. Why was he married? And I think that DNP was not a married man, because he was just out of this world and his acts were showing that he cares for none only. He cares for himself only. Answer for this is, no, DNP was not a married man. We can say this because in this entire story, DNP has been shown as a man who is secluded from the world, and his act shows that he cares for none. This answer is saying that DNP was not a married man. He was, in this whole story, he was caring for none other person except him. So the question is, do you think DNP was a married man? Give reason for your answer. Answer for this is, no, DNP was not a married man. We can say this because in the entire story, DNP has been shown as the man who is secluded from the world, and his act shows that he cares for none. Now, after doing question 10th, let us move to question 11th. Question 11th is, how did DNP's appearance change during his life? This question is saying, how did DNP change his appearance into his whole life? DNP changed his entire life after getting a haircut, which he gets from the Sony Hairstyle Saloon. So the answer for this is, DNP appearance changed when he got haircuts because he looked entirely different from before. So the question 11th is, how did DNP appearance change during his life? Answer for this is, DNP appearance changed when he got a haircut because he looked entirely different from before. After getting a haircut from the Sony Hairstyle Saloon, he looked entirely different. Now what you all have to do is, first of all, start writing the questions using black pen. Write the answers using blue pen, as I told you earlier also. Homework for you all is to learn question 1 to 5 of chapter 7 haircut from your copy only. Thank you.